I was thinking Chipotle cheese chicken, Philly cheese chicken steak, chicken, Philly Chipotle, Bacon chili Chipotle cheese chicken. There's no chili. It's gonna be a cheese steak type sandwich, but done with chicken with a Chipotle mayo. It's what I had on hand. I didn't want to run all over town getting the ingredients for my other idea to prepare. So I went with what's on hand. And that's what we're gonna get. To start and to try to imitate a cheesesteak cut, I'm going to slice the chicken breast as thin as I can. I wouldn't say as thin as I can. I'm gonna be doing probably about a 1/4 inch slices on there. They're still partially frozen to make them cut a little bit easier. So we'll start by doing that. So like I was showing you, I got them probably about a 1/4 inch thick, and once slicing it lengthwise on the chicken breast, I then cut those in half, so we got some nice little strips. We're gonna throw those guys into a bowl. Got some buttermilk on standby. Get your buttermilk, no amount, whatever it takes. I used 3 chicken breasts, boneless, skinless. I'm gonna pour some buttermilk over the top of them. Gonna mix those around a little bit, and we're gonna let them marinate in there, soak that goodness up for a couple hours. Like so. Chipotle mayo is simply going to be a chipotle pepper or 2. They're not hot, in case you're concerned, with some of the adobo sauce and about a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise mixed together. And that'll make our chipotle mayo. Just chop it up the best you can get it. Throw it in your mayonnaise. And mix it up. You could use a spoon too, or a fork. Knife was in my hand. Forgot to bring the spoon over. Didn't want to reach, didn't want to keep you waiting. There's your chipotle mayo. Depending on whether or not you want onions and bell peppers in there, that's common for a Philly cheesesteak, but our concoction is not a Philly cheesesteak, so do whatever the hell you want to do. Who am I to say any different? The way I'm going to do it is with a little miniature bell pepper, my first bell pepper from my garden of the year, and some of my little miniature onions from the garden. So, I don't know, whatever you want to do, chop them up. Get your pan, about a tablespoon of olive oil in there. Let that heat up for a second. And then we'll toss our veggies in. Five minutes in, veggies look good. We're gonna pull those off and set those aside. In the same pan, we don't need to re-oil because we're taking out our chicken that's been marinating in our buttermilk. So that should work good for us there, and we're gonna do it kind of in batches here. Don't want to overcrowd the pan. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Mix it up. About 6 minutes in, flipped it once. Obviously, I'm gonna have to drain this or something. I didn't expect that much liquid, so I'm gonna drain it real quick. Drained it. I'm gonna go with 4 slices pepper jack cheese. And a lid. Perfect. Stir it up real good. Move it off to our holding bowl. Get started on our second batch. A little salt. A little pepper. Drained it again. 4 more slices of some pepper jack. Lid, and let it melt. Good to go. Stir it up, mix some cheese around in there. Turn our burner off because we've done. Throw it in our holding tank. And we'll get our buns. Last ingredient to the mix. Get yourself a nice sandwich roll from your local bakery or grocery store that has a bakery in it. Split it. Fill it. Have your broiler on. You could top it with some more cheese if you wanted. Don't think we're going to do any more cheese. Add your onions and bell peppers. If you so desire. Mushrooms would be good also. Also, if you wanted to do this kind of standard cheesesteak style, you could use a provolone instead of a pepper jack. Stand her up best you can. See if she'll remain standing. Gonna fill up the rest of these. I'm gonna throw them under the broiler for just a minute tops. And then we're gonna eat them. There's what we got. Good stuff. There's the dogs coming in for dinner. Some of the Chipotle mayo. Maybe, if it wants to come out of my bottle, some of the Chipotle mayo. Maybe not again. Can't go down like that. Chipotle mayo. Chipotle mayo. Don't try a squeeze bottle because it won't work. That one's mine. That's some grinds right there. The name, Eat This Chipotle Cheese Chicken. What you think? Let me know if you came up with a better name. Let me know if I got stuff in my mustache and my beard too. I've seen you guys let me down like that before. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and eat this Chipotle cheese chicken sandwich.